Day 10 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously, Adam designed the front bed panel and I did the electrics. We have been busy this past week and have been waiting on parts, but now more carpet has arrived. I have carpeted the sliding door using spray glue on both surfaces, neatly smoothing it out, trimming the edges and folding the edges over. I then held the panels in place on the door and using metal screws, Adam screwed it into place. Once this was done, Adam painted and dyed the bed frame and chair panels, whilst I cut out the bed base from plywood to fit our foam mattress on. I then quickly fit metal edging to the sliding door and rear doors by measuring it and using metal jigsaw blades before screwing it into place. We then fit our cupboard doors into the kitchen unit. We're using antique brass hinges, copper door handles and magnetic ball catches to keep the doors closed whilst driving. Adam then put together the electrics for the copper tap and water pump system, whilst I put the shelf together and did the final touches using wood slices. Once done, we attached the shelving fixture to the wall above the kitchen unit. As you can see, we've gone for a black and light orange or copper theme for this design, and so far we are really pleased. We have just a couple more days of work to do before it is finished, and we are also waiting on a table leg that we need to fit. So follow for day 11, where we will do the final touches to the van and go decor shopping.